Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create diagrams online easily. First, go to Drawio.com. Here, you can either download the software to your computer or use it directly in your browser. For this tutorial, we'll use the browser version. Click on Start, and a new window will open with a blank page where you can begin building your diagram. On the left side, you'll see a menu containing the basic shapes you'll need. If you want more shapes, click on More Shapes. Draw.io gives you almost every type of shape you can think of, from software and networking to business and flowcharts. To enable any category, just check the small box next to it. Click Apply, and it will appear in your left menu. When you're done, you can save your diagram online, download it to your computer, or export it in different file formats. You can even share it with other people. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified about new videos.